Good morning students. Today we will learn chapter number 5, Advanced Features of Microsoft Word 2010. In the previous lesson you have learned some formatting features as well as page settings options. In this lesson you will learn more about editing and formatting features in Word 10 and tools like finding and replacing, drawing tools, inserting clip art and cover page, etc. Finding the text. When you are working with large documents, Word provides the facility to search your document using the Find feature and change words or phrases using the Replace option. To find a particular word or phrase in the current document, follow these steps. Click on the Find button. In the Editing group on the Home tab, the navigation pane appears on the left side of the document window. This navigation pane. Type the text that you want to find in the search document. Here. Text box at the top of the navigation pane. If the text is found in the document, it will be highlighted in yellow and a preview will display in the navigation pane. Or select the advanced find option from the drop down menu of the search document text box. The find and replace dialog box appears. You can see find and replace dialog box. Click on the find next button. The searched word will get highlighted in the document. Subsequent clicking on the find next button will highlight the other occurrences of the searched text. Find next option. After finishing the search, Word displays a message, Word has finished searching the document. Click on OK. For example, आपने एज वर्ड को फाइंड किया है और फिर फाइंड नेक्स्ट आप करते जा रहे हो, तो उस डॉक्यूमेंट के अंदर कहीं पे भी एज वर्ड होगा तो वो हाईलाइट हो जाएगा. Replacing the text. Besides searching the text, you can also replace the words or phrases with any alternate text. To replace the text, follow the given procedure. Click on the Replace button in the Editing group on the Home tab. The Find and Replace dialog box appears. This one. Click on the Replace button. Here. Replace. In Find What box, type the text that you want to search for. In the Replace With box, enter the new text to replace the existing text. पहले क्या था? Find What June 14, उसकी जगह पे मुझे मतलब कौन सा वर्ड रिप्लेस करना है? जून 16. तो रिप्लेस विथ में जो रिप्लेस करना है वो लिखना पड़ेगा. तो जहाँ पे भी जून 14 होगा वहाँ पे जून 16 आ जाएगा. Click on the More button to select other options if required. Click on either the Replace All, Find Next, Cancel button as needed. When Word has finished searching for the word and has made replacements, a message box appears. Click on OK. Working with shapes. Shapes is a drawing feature that helps you to add various shapes like stars, banners, callouts, connectors, etc. to your document. With the help of these shapes, you can draw attention and provide impact to your message. To insert a shape, follow these steps. Select the Insert tab and click on the Shapes button in the Illustrations group. A drop-down menu displays various options like lines, rectangles, basic shapes, block arrows, flow chart, callouts, stars and banners, etc. Select a shape from the drop-down menu. Here we have selected the smiley face from the basic shapes category. यहाँ पे हमने right triangle insert किया है. See here. The pointer changes into plus crosshair symbol. Click and drag the mouse on the working area until the selected shape appears in the desired size. To rotate the shape, उस शेप को रोटेट करना है तो क्या करेंगे? ड्रैग द ग्रीन हैंडल. व्हेन द शेप इज सिलेक्टेड, अ न्यू टैब नेम्ड फॉर्मेट अपीयर्स ऑन द मेनू बार अंडर द ड्राइंग टूल्स कैटेगरी. टू ऐड अ क्विक स्टाइल टू द शेप, चूज एनी ऑप्शन फ्रॉम द shape styles group on the format tab. To display more styles options, click on the more drop down menu and choose any visual style for the shape or line. Placing text in shapes. Shapes के अंदर मुझे text डालना है. You can also insert text in a shape and make it as a part of the shape. To add text in a shape, select the desired shape and right click on it. Select the add text option from the shortcut menu. See here, add text option from the shortcut menu. After that you can add a text. The cursor appears on the object. Now type the text. Using drawing tools. The drawing toolbar contains various options to format shapes. Let us create a hut using various shapes. You can try at your home. Inserting word art. The word art feature allows you to create special text effects. Using word art, you can create decorative effects such as curved, wavy, shadowed, three-dimensional, etc. Select the text on which you wish to apply the word art effect. उसी ही टेक्स्ट को सिलेक्ट करो जहाँ पे आप वर्ड आर्ट इफेक्ट को अप्लाई करना चाहते हो. क्लिक ऑन द इंसर्ट टैब, सिलेक्ट द वर्ड आर्ट. इंसर्ट टैब पे जाओगे तो वर्ड आर्ट का ऑप्शन यहाँ से मिलेगा. The quick styles drop down menu will appear. Select any word art style from the displayed list. The selected style gets applied on the selected text. Inserting clip art. Clip art is a gallery of pre-designed pictures that can be inserted directly in a document. Place the cursor where you want to insert a picture. Click on the clip art button on the insert tab in the illustration group. The clip art task pane appears to the right of the document. Type the desired keyword in the search for. For example, कंप्यूटर सर्च करना है क्योंकि मुझे कंप्यूटर का ही पिक्चर चाहिए क्लिप आर्ट में से. फॉर एग्जाम्पल कंप्यूटर, आई हैव टू टाइप अ कंप्यूटर एंड क्लिक ऑन द गो बटन हियर. सी, यहाँ पे सिटी का एग्जाम्पल है. मैं कंप्यूटर का भी एग्जाम्पल ले सकती हूँ. मुझे कोई सिटी का पिक चाहिए तो मैं यहाँ पे टाइप करूँगी सर्च फॉर में सिटी एंड देन आई विल प्रेस अ गो बटन. It will display all the clip art images related to the computer. View the various clip art images using the vertical scroll bar and click on the desired clip art image to insert it in the document. After inserting the image, close the clip art task pane by clicking on the close button here. Adding a watermark. Watermark can be defined as a dim or faded impression of an image or text which is placed behind the text in your document. Word has a gallery of watermarks to choose from, or you can create your own customized watermark such as company logo for the document. Let us learn how to create a watermark. Open the document in which you want to create a watermark. Select the Page Layout tab and click on the Watermark drop-down menu in the Page Background group. Select the Custom Watermark option. The Printed Watermark dialog box appears. You will notice that no watermark is selected by default. Select the Text Watermark option. Choose the language from the Language drop-down menu here. Select the font size, style, color and layout of the font. Type the text that you want to appear here. Draft. That you want to appear as watermark in the text box. Click on the Apply button to check the preview of the selected watermark on the page. If you feel satisfied with the watermark, then click on the Close button to close the dialog box. Inserting a picture watermark. Select the Picture Watermark option from the Printed Watermark dialog box. Click on the Select Picture button. The Insert Picture dialog box will appear. Select the picture that you want and click on the Insert button. Select the Wash Out checkbox to lighten the picture so that it does not merge with the text. Click on OK. The selected watermark will be applied on the page. Applying borders and shading. To improve the appearance and legibility of the text, we can add a variety of border and shading effects to the paragraphs and the entire page. Select the text, click on the drop-down arrow next to the bottom border button in the paragraph group on the Home tab. Select the Borders and Shading option from the displayed list. The Borders and Shading dialog box will appear. Now set the border style. You can see this option, Borders and Shading. Choose the box option under the Settings section. Select the line style under the Style list box. ये है styles. Click on the drop down list of color option. Select any color. Color option is here. Choose the line width from the width section. Width section is here. Click on the drop down list of Apply to section and select the paragraph option. Click on OK and observe the change. Inserting cover page. MS Word provides a gallery of pre-designed cover pages. Follow the given steps to add cover page to your document. Go to the Insert tab in the Pages group and select Cover Page. A built-in gallery will appear. Click on the desired cover page layout. The selected cover page will be applied to the document. Now, click on the sample text such as type the document title and type the desired text to replace it. Thank you.